I could set you free. Show you what this world could really be. Here with me, I could set you free. Off the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free. 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 Show you what this world could really be. Here with me, I could set you free. Off the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free. Show you what this world could really be. Here with me, I could set you free. Off the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free. I could set you free. I could set you free. Show you what this world could really be. Here with me, I could set you free. Off the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free.
I found you in a crowded, empty place. You felt familiar, but I didn't know your face. As we're standing in the room, the roar of the silence submerged us. Our connection felt so strong without even sharing our first touch. And I can't pretend that
I wake up in silence, turning our face an empty bed. There's no one besides me, and I try to remember what I've said. I can see glass all in my room. I'm searching for answers. Why did you leave? What did I do? Oh, can we turn